Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a WireGuard server and configure it on your Android device using the WG Tunnel app. WireGuard is one of the most advanced VPN protocols available today. Fast, lightweight, and highly secure. It's designed for maximum efficiency while ensuring top-level online privacy. So if you're ready to upgrade your VPN setup, stay tuned as I guide you through every step. Before we start, if you're new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps us bring more useful content your way. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the home page, tap the hamburger menu in the top corner to open the options list. Scroll down, click on the SSH option, and then select WireGuard Server. Next, you'll see a simple account creation form. Enter your desired username, complete the reCAPTCHA, and click Create Account. After clicking the button, a 10-second countdown will begin. Once it's complete, your server will be generated automatically. You'll have two options: copy to clipboard or download config file. For this tutorial, we'll choose copy to clipboard. The configuration will automatically be copied to your device's clipboard. Now, return to your Android home screen. Head to the Google Play Store, search for the WG Tunnel app, then download and install it. Once installed, open the app to access the main dashboard. On the home screen, tap the ++ icon in the bottom right corner. A small menu will appear. Select Copy from Clipboard. This will automatically import your WireGuard configuration that we copied earlier. If you need to make adjustments, simply tap on your server profile, then click the Settings gear icon. In the new window, tap the pencil icon to edit your configuration. Under the Endpoint section, add a valid SNI before the WireGuard server address. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Save to confirm. And now, the final step, activating your VPN connection. On the WG Tunnel app's home screen, tap the radio button next to your server profile to start the VPN. Within a few seconds, your WireGuard VPN connection will be live and secured. That's it. You've successfully created a WireGuard server and configured it on your Android device using WG Tunnel. Enjoy faster speeds, improved security, and complete privacy every time you browse online. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful VPN guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.